Hello everyone, welcome back to Top LINGO. Today we are fixing 10 common English mistakes that almost all beginners make. These are very small mistakes, but they can change the meaning of your sentence. Let's fix them together. Number 1 mistake, I have 20 years. Correct, I'm 20 years old. Example, I'm 25 years old. Mistake number 2. I agree. Correct. I agree. Example, I agree with you. Mistake number 3. She have a car. Correct. She has a car. She, he, it has. Mistake number 4. I'm living in USA. Correct. I live in the USA. Grammar tip, the USA. Mistake number 5. I go to home. No. Correct. I go home. No. Before to, no home. Sorry, before home, no to. Mistake number 6. I didn't went. Correct. I didn't go. With didn't, we use the base verb. Mistake number 7. She can to swim. Correct. She can swim. No to after can. Mistake number 8. He don't like tea. Correct. He doesn't like tea. He, she, it doesn't. And mistake number 9. I am student. Of course. Correct is I am a student. Use a n before jobs and roles. Mistake number 10. I very like it. By the way, it's a very typical mistake. Correct, I like it very much, or I really like it. Quick practice. Please repeat after me and try to say faster. I'm 20 years old. I agree. She has a car. I live in the United States of America. I go home. I didn't go. She can swim. He doesn't like tea. I'm a student. I really like it. I like it very much. Mini quiz. Fix the mistake. I am 30 years. He don't understand. I didn't eat breakfast. She can to dance. I am teacher. Now have a look and give me your answers. Great job, right? Today it was amazing. If you want part 2 of common mistakes, comment part 2 below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson. See you in the next video.